Dividing by powers of 10. We already learned how to multiply by powers of 10. Now we're going to divide. So when we did multiplying by powers of 10, we moved our decimal to the right. With dividing by powers of 10, we're just going to move the decimal to the left. So if the exponent is a 2, we'll move the decimal to the left 2 places. If the exponent is a 3, we move the decimal to the left 3 places. If the exponent is a 4, we move the decimal to the left 4 places, and so on and so forth. So let's take a look at our first equation. 46 divided by 10 to the second power, or 10 squared as we say it. Now remember, in a whole number, the decimal comes at the very end of the number. So if we don't see a decimal there, it's at the end. So at the end of 46, there's the decimal. And the 2 indicates we need to move the decimal 2 places. And since we're dividing, it's going to go to the left. So we're going to move it to the left 1, 2, and that's our new place for the decimal. And since there's nothing in the ones place, we need to put a 0 placeholder. So 46 divided by 10 squared is 0 and 46 hundredths. For 7, the decimal point is here at the end of the 7 because it's a whole number. The exponent is 3, so that means we're going to move our decimal to the left 3 places because we're dividing. So we move it over 1, 2, 3, and that's where our decimal goes. And we have no numbers here, so we need to put in 0 placeholders, and we need to remember 0 placeholder in the ones place. So 7 divided by 10 to the third power is 0 and 7 thousandths. Next one, there's a decimal point here already, and we have a 2 as our exponent. We're dividing. We're going to move to the left 2 places. So we're going to move it to the left 1, 2. We need a 0 placeholder here as well as in the ones place. So 0.5 divided by 10 squared is 0 and 5 thousandths. Okay. And finally, we see here that our exponent is 4. We're dividing, so we're going to move our decimal to the left 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes there. So we're going to need 3 0 placeholders as well as a 0 placeholder in the ones place. So 8 and 9 hundredths divided by 10 to the 4th power is 0.000809. And that's how you divide by powers of 10.